welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn on the silent mode on this device. Firstly, go to the settings and tap on sounds and vibration here. So now you get here the sound mode, tap on that and just switch it to the mode. So that's it. You can also switch the temporary mode, so that's mean how long to keep your phone muted before returning to the previous sound mode. For example, you can mute it for 1 to 3 hours, or also you can choose how many hours you wanna it be. So if you wanna change that, just tap on the switcher one at a time. If you wanna turn on the sound mode, just tap here, and that's it. That's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.